Hi, Jim Matthews here from champtrading.com. We're testing this is an Avery Weightronic scale. I believe it's 1,000 pound capacity, 24 inches wide by 32 inches long, about 10 inches off the ground, portable. It's designed for a pharmaceutical environment. And we have tested weights. They're under 2 kilograms. Try those out. How's that come up? Correctamundo. We put 2 on, so it should be 4 kilograms. And let's see if we can check the units. It's 8.8 pounds, so if it does translates kilograms to pounds. And it's got all these features. You can find this on our website at champtrading.com and other items. We sell all kinds of process and package equipment for the food, pharmaceutical, and allied industries. Hopefully you have a great day. Thanks very much for visiting.